Alright, so today I'm looking at Compton Creek, and Compton Creek flows into the LA River right around here, and it flows for about 8.5 miles upstream through Compton and Willowbrook, and it starts up here by this police station on Main Street, and it's all these storm drains in this area kind of flow into this concrete channel that goes all the way down to the LA River. So today I'm going to go out there, fly the drone, and take a look at this creek and see what we can see. So this is Compton Creek. It's a crucial tributary of the LA River. It starts here near that police station, and it flows all the way to the LA River. And it's like much of the LA River system, Compton Creek was channelized for flood control. But before this, it was a natural waterway supporting like local wildlife and seasonal wetlands. You can see in these photos, before construction, it was kind of like a ditch between houses and everything, and you can kind of see what it looked like here. And so they went ahead and started channelizing it in these photos. You can see they dug it out and they started building the banks and doing all the concrete works, and you can see what it looks like here when it's finished with all the concrete line channel. So this is where it meets with the 105 there, and then it keeps going in this concrete channel. And this is like the Willowbrook Compton area right here. And so the Army Corps, they transform much of the creek into a flood control channel, and it really changed the landscape. So at this point, it goes from the this is where it gets close to the 91 freeway, and those are the tracks for the LA Metro. But from this point on, where we're about to go is this is where it turns from a hard channel to a soft channel, and the soft channel is, you can see all the plants growing on the bottom down here, and it's kind of unique because they actually have to mow down a lot of these grasses every year, because if it gets too high, it impacts the amount of flood, so they have to go in there and remove all this vegetation. So you can see it's kind of like a trimmed vegetation here on Compton Creek. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. Once it gets to this area, it looks a little better, but when it looks like just concrete lined up there, it definitely it looks a little rough. A lot of shopping carts and everything. But yeah, it's pretty industrial. And you can see here's the 91 freeway, the Alameda corridor, all the trains and everything. So it's pretty urban environment for this creek that went through a major transformation. Anyway, thought it'd be interesting. Take a look and see what it looks like. And this is where it meets the LA River. Thanks for watching.